What's going on, everybody? Redbird Vlogger here. Welcome back to the channel. Right now, it's Monday. I am in class. We are working on a presentation for history of art and protests, and basically what we were given the option to do was search up an artist, research them, and create a presentation about their work. My artist that I have selected is a lady by the name of Emma Amos. She has multiple styles of art. I'll probably try to include one of each of her arts in my presentation. So she's got about 6 different art forms that she used and created. So I'm gonna do that and continue on with my day. No baseball practice tonight, so that's a bummer. Still getting caught up on some other work. It's time for me to really get going because I need my grades to be up by the end of the semester. So, yeah. All right. I'm gonna keep doing this, and I will check back in with you later. So let's get the vlog started. Welcome back.
Okay, so here we are. It's Wednesday now. I'm looking kind of fresh with my hair because I showered today and put some gel in my hair, combed it over, looking pretty nice. Finished with school, watching Family Guy, and also playing GTA. So that'll be fun. Right now I'm setting up to do a heist in GTA Online. So yeah, it's Wednesday, so that means batting cages in church. So I'll see you at the cages.
Hey everybody, it's Friday now. Skipped from Wednesday to Friday. Just got out of the shower. My laundry is already in the washing machine. My sister's here visiting for a little bit. And yeah, so Friday, payday at work tonight. Great. So, all right. Continuing the vlog.
Once again, laundry. Get all my laundry out of the dryer. One last sock. Nothing else. Not terrible on the lint. All right. Time to go put this away.
It's Saturday now. Going out to do a couple things. Or maybe one thing, I don't know. But I'm going, right now I'm going to Target. I'm going to see if I can pick up another headset for my PlayStation. A wired one, because the old wired headset I have is not very good right now. So I need a new wired headset so that when my wireless headset is charging, then I can just use the wired. So let's go see what I can find at Target. All right,
Guys, here we are in Target. Got got this thing here. It's the Turtle Beach Recon 70 wired headset for PS4 and PS5. This is the updated version. 40 bucks. So, I think I'm gonna buy it. All right. 40 bucks. That's okay. Good price, good price. All right. Video games are buy 2, get 1 free. All right. I'm gonna pick this up. So, check out, maybe. Charlie playing with her toy. Hey.
Charlie and Neil. You know, don't say anything to her. Just let her continue to play.
She says, Mom, your foot is on top of it. Get it, Charlie. Get it. What's the matter, baby? Did she take your toy? Did she take your toy? Did she take your toy, Bailey?
Did you capture it?
I am right now still. Are you finished? Are you finished? Hi. Are you finished? Are you going to keep playing with it? Okay, you're finished. Hi there. Yeah, you're on camera. Charlie. Are you finished? You got your paw on there like, no, nobody's taking it from me.
Post it to Facebook.
Okay, it's Sunday now. Just got back from church Sunday morning. Now I'm going to sit around and play some Minecraft. I know it's not not of me to be playing Minecraft, but oh well. So I'm gonna play some Minecraft, and then the vlog will be over soon. So play Minecraft.
I know, I lied. So, as you can see, work uniform, work time, Sunday night, and then the vlog's gonna go up after I get home from work. So, time to go to work. I'll see you in a few hours for the outro. Hope I have a good shift.
Alrighty guys, that's going to do it for the vlog. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you all next week. Bye-bye.